Success does not come to you, you go to it. Welcome, dear soul, to another episode of Master English Every Day, where each word is a gentle step toward peace, self-love, and mindful English. Thank you for being here. Now, take a deep breath in and gently breathe out. Let go of everything else. This moment is for you. Today's message is simple, yet it holds a quiet strength. Success does not come to you, you go to it. Success is not waiting at the end of some perfect plan. It's found in your choices, in your belief, in your soft, daily courage to try again. You don't have to run. You don't have to push. You just need to trust your path and take the next loving step forward. Let's breathe and repeat together. I move toward my dreams with peace. Every small step I take matters. I am aligned with the energy of growth and grace. You are not behind. You are not late. You are already becoming everything you've imagined, simply by walking forward gently each day. Thank you for listening to Master English Every Day. If this episode brought light into your heart, please take a moment to share it with someone who may need this too. And don't forget to follow this podcast for more healing English, more mindful moments, and more belief in your beautiful self. Until tomorrow, stay kind, stay growing, and stay true to you. You're doing better than you think. Yellow.